Ever searched your name online and found your home address exposed? That's exactly what ClusterMaps.com does. Let me show you how to remove it in just a few steps. Let's get started. ClusterMaps is a people search website that gathers and displays personal details like your name, address, and even past locations. If you want to take back control of your privacy, removing your data is a must. Ready to remove your information? Here's how you can opt out of ClusterMaps step by step. 1. Go to ClusterMaps.com and search your name or address. Include your apartment or unit number if applicable. 2. Under Known Residents, look for your record. Select View Details from the right side menu. 3. Copy the URL of your record. See the search bar to copy the URL. 4. To successfully opt out of ClusterMaps, visit https://clustermaps.com/bl/optout. 5. You must provide your name exactly as it appears in your record, a working email address, the URL for your record, and your address precisely as it appears in your record. Next, select Next Step. Choose the data you want to delete, then click Apply. Your opt-out request will be processed within a few days. ClusterMaps is just one of many data brokers online. Let Delete My Info handle the hassle and remove your data from multiple sites. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com today to secure your privacy.